Hello guys, I'm Eljan Calica and I will talk about trigonometry. So what is trigonometry? Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that studies relationships between side lengths and angles of triangles. Trigonometry comes from the Greek word trigono, meaning triangles, and metry, meaning measures. So our first topic is trigonometric ratio. Trigonometric ratios are the ratios between edges of a right triangle. These ratios are given by the following trigonometric functions of the known angle A, where A, B, and C refer to the lengths of the sides in the accompanying figure. So A here is the angle where it is opposite to side small letter A and adjacent to small letter B and has hypotenuse. Next, trigonometric functions. We all know SOHCAHTOA as of his days. So what is so? Sine, opposite hypotenuse. Ka, cosine, adjacent hypotenuse. Toa, tangent, opposite adjacent. So in sine A, it is where side opposite over hypotenuse. In cosine A, side adjacent over hypotenuse. In tangent A, side opposite over side adjacent. In inverse trigonometric function, which is inverse, is kabaltaran. So, cho siakaw. Cho means cosecant hypotenuse opposite. Siya, secant hypotenuse adjacent. Kaw, cotangent adjacent opposite. So, in cosecant A, hypotenuse over side opposite. In secant A, hypotenuse over side adjacent. In cotangent A, side adjacent over side opposite. So here's an example. Find the x, sine A, cosine A, tangent A, secant A, cosecant A, and cotangent A in the following figure. So these are the given. The side 4 and 3. 4 is the adjacent side and 3 is the opposite side, where this x represents the hypotenuse. So we will solve. In this, we must recall the Pythagorean Theorem, which is a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, where a squared and b squared are the given sides, which is 4 and 3. So a squared is 3 squared, b squared is 4 squared is equal to x squared. So 3 squared plus 4 squared is equal to 25 is equal to x squared. So square root of them is 5 is equal to x. So 5 here is now the hypotenuse. So we will solve the sine A. Sine A is opposite over hypotenuse, which is 3 all over the x, which is the 5. So 3 over 5. Cosine A is adjacent over hypotenuse, which is adjacent is 4 and the hypotenuse is 5. Tangent A is opposite over adjacent, which is 3 over 4. Next, we'll find cosecant A. Cosecant A is hypotenuse over opposite. So, hypotenuse is 5 over 3. Secant A is hypotenuse over adjacent, which is 5 over 4. Cotangent A is adjacent over opposite, which is 4 over 3. Okay, so next problem. Find the angle using sine, cosine, and tangent. Angle A is not given. The givens are the opposite side, the adjacent side, and the hypotenuse. We can find the angle easily by using the sine, cosine, and tangent. First is sine. Sine A. Sine A is opposite over hypotenuse, which is 3 over 5. Then, in finding the angle A, you must transfer sine into the other side, which is given, which will be converted into sine inverse, sine raised to -1 of 3 over 5, which is 36.87 degrees. Same with true with cosine A. Adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 4 over 5. Same process. Transfer cosine into the other side. So, magiging cosine inverse. So, A is equal to cosine inverse of 4 over 5 is equal to 36.87 degrees. So, in tangent A, opposite over hypotenuse, which is 3 over 4. Same process, transfer tangent to the other side. A is equal to tan inverse of 3 over 4, which is 36.87%. So this is the angle that we are looking for. So, thank you guys and thanks for listening. Our next topic is trigonometric identities. So abangan nyo na lang. Salamat!